This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Bray. Builder's model home has just been released for sale. As soon as our last beacon floor plan is sold, someone can make this professionally designed and decorated home theirs. All furnishings and accessories available at an additional cost. See agent for details. Spectacular, open floor plan with upgrades galore and a view to die for. Upgrades too many to list, but available upon request. List price does includes all custom window coverings, designer wallpaper and over $140,000 in upgrades. This Bayfront gated community offers the beach just steps from your door, Bayfront swimming pool, clubhouse west/fitness room and gazebo for community gatherings or private parties. Each home comes with a private 2-car garage and storage closet within. Don't miss the opportunity to make this home yours. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Bray at 757-481-7000.